Hello, 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 dear students, can you hear me? Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello, good evening, Arpita. Can you hear me? Okay. ಎಲ್ಲ PUC1 ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. Yes, good evening, my dear students. Yes, can you hear me? Okay. Let us continue with the study of the sets. So far we studied in the types of the sets. Types of the sets we covered so far. That is empty set. We'll see operations today. Empty set. Studied finite set. Studied infinite set. Infinite set. And studied we have to study equal sets. I think we discussed. And equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Then the concept of subset. In that you will have two types of proper subset and improper. Proper and improper subsets. Improper subsets. Then we will see universal set. Universal set and a complement set. Complement set. So just we'll covered already empty sets, finite sets, infinite sets. Now let us quickly revise. Equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal. Said that equal sets. Equal sets. Suppose that I take two sets like this. In a set A, if the elements are A, B, C, D, and I will take another set B with the elements as D, A, B, C. Observe. Are they equal sets? Two sets A and B, non-empty sets A and B are said to be equal sets if all elements of A are present in B and if all elements of B are present in A. Observe, A is here, A is here, B is here, B is here, C is here, C is here, D is here, D is here. Even though their order is different, They are equal sets. Then how to define equal sets? Two non-empty sets. 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 A and B are said to be equal. Are said to be equal. Said to be equal if all elements of A. If all elements of A are present in ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಿ ದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. Of A are present in B and if all elements of B are present in all elements of B are present in A, right? That is called as equal sets. What are equal sets? Two sets, two non-empty. They should not be empty sets. A and B are said to be equal. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if all elements of A, ಏದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ are present in B and if all elements of B are present in A. The example is here. You can take A, B, C, D, right? Then we say that set A is equal to set B. Is that clear? Now I will take another set. You try to understand. I will give A is equal to A, B, C, D. I will keep it as it is. But I will take set B as 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think they are equal? Do you think they are equal? They are not equal. How they are? They have same number of elements. If you observe, number of elements of A is equal to how many? Cardinal number. What is the cardinal number? Number of elements of A is 4. What is the number of elements in B in it? Number of elements in B in it is also 4. Such sets which have same cardinal number are called as equivalent sets. What they are called as? Note down, equivalent set. Equivalent set. I hope you understood what is equivalent set. Right? You can define equivalent sets as two non-empty sets. Two non-empty. This word is important. You have to include non-empty means they will contain at least one element. Two non-empty sets are said to be. Two non-empty sets are said to be equivalent. Equal is different. Equivalent if they have same cardinal number. If they have same cardinal number. What is cardinal number? We discussed in the previous class. Okay, cardinal number. If they have same cardinal number, means number of elements in A is called as cardinal number. If they have same cardinal number, n of A is also 4, n of B is also 4, such a set is called as equivalent set. I hope you understood. Now I'll give, before I move on to the subsets, we'll see some questions in the NCERT text. Before we continue, from your textbook, I have few questions here. You try to answer them. Before we move on to the subsets, complement sets, universal sets, let us try some questions from the exercise. Take the question. Question is, in the following, state whether A is equal to B. In the following, state A is equal to B. Of them I will take a question. A is equal to, it is given that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and give another set to you. B is equal to set of all x. X belongs to even positive numbers. Even positive numbers are represented as positive integers. Even positive integers. Z plus even positive integers. And x is less than or equal to 10. Try this. Tell me. Arpita, you have to interact. You have to interact in the live stream. Don't keep quiet. Calculate and tell me what are the elements of B. See, this is in rule method. You know how to write rule method. Even positive integers are written as Z plus. X belongs to Z plus even. X is less than or equal to 10. Observe. What is the first even number? Even positive number 2. Second even positive number 4, 6, 8. Equal to the, not less than, and equal to means 10 is also there. What is your answer? Your answer is all the elements of A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are present in B. Yes. Yes. A is equal to B. Are you getting me? Take another question. Take a second question. Second question is A is equal to elements of sets of A is equal to 2, 3. And B set is given as X, set of all X such that X is a solution of X square minus 5X plus 6. Check whether A and B are equal. To check this, we have to solve the quadratic equation. A elements are already known to you. Let me rub this part so that I can write here. Now, how do you get the elements of the set B? You have to interact. Don't keep quiet. See, set A is clear. This is the roster method. But set B is a quadratic equation. How do you solve the quadratic equation? That is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. To get the solution, you have to equate to the polynomial equation, quadratic equation. You have to split the middle term. Plus 6 is there. What are the factors? You have to take coefficients of 1 and 6. 6. You have to get two factors such that product must be F1 and F2, two factors. Product must be plus 6 and plus sign is there. Sum of the factors must be equal to what? Coefficient of X, which is 5. Can you guess F1 and F2? Answer. By splitting the middle term. Yes, you are correct. Split the middle term, no? How do you split it? ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುವು? Right? Are they not 3 2s? F1 is 3 and F2 is 2. And F1 is 3 plus F2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. It satisfies. But you have to write this one as minus 5x. How do you write it as minus 5x? Minus 5x can be written as minus 3x minus 2x. Do you agree with me? Minus 3x minus 2x becomes what? Minus same factors 3 and 2. You have to write such that it should become minus 5x. Therefore, you are writing it as minus 3x minus 2x. Now you can split it. You will get x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. You studied in the 9th standard and 10th standard. Splitting the middle term. Take x common. You are left with x minus 3. Take minus 2 common. You are left with x minus into plus becomes minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, in these two terms, what is common? Common is x minus 3. If you take x minus 3 common here, what you are left with? X. Here x minus 3 is taken common, what you are left with? Minus 2 is equal to 0. You can equate it as x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. There you got x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. Therefore, set B can be written as 3, 2. Observe. What are the elements present in A? 2, 3. What are the elements present in B? 3, 2. All elements of A are present in B. All elements of B are present in A. 2 is here, 2 is here. 3 is here, 3 is here. Therefore, your answer is yes. A is equal to B. Like this, you have to solve the problems. Right? Some interesting questions in the NCERT text. That is the second question. I hope you understood, noted it. I hope you solved it. Let us continue with question number 3. Question number 3 on equal sets. Observe. A is equal to set of all x. Set of all x. X is a letter. X is a letter in the word. 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 Follow. 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 And B is a set of all Y such that Y is a letter in the word. Y is a letter in the word. Letter in the word. Wolf. WOLF. Okay. Now you try to write the elements of the set A. Both of them are in rule method. You have to write them in roster method. First of all, let me write in roster method. See, repeated letters are L is repeated 2 times, O is repeated 2 times. Repeated elements should not be considered in a word. Only once you are to write. F is only one. Write F. O is 2 times. Don't write 2 times. You have to write only 1 times O. L is 2 times. Don't write it 2 times. Write it as only 1 time. And W is only once. You write W. Similarly, write the B in a roster method. What are the letters? W is there only once. O is there. L is there. Wolf. F is the F. Wolf. F is there. Now observe both A and B. Observe both A and B. What do you say? Observe both A and B. You can say that are they equal? F is here, F is here. O is here, O is here. L is here, L is here. W is here, W is here. Right? Yes. A is equal to B. They are equal sets because all elements of A are present in B. All elements of B are present in A. Then you say that the two sets are equal. Any doubts in this? Clarify the doubts. I'll give a multiple choice question. Try to answer MCQ. Very important for competitive exams. I'll give you some questions. These were subjective questions from the textbook. Remaining questions are easy. You can solve them. Only I will select some tough questions and solve. Try this one. Here is which of the following are equal sets? MCQ, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Which of the following are equal sets? Which of the following are equal? Which of the following are equal? I'll give 4 options. You take 1 minute and try to answer. A. A is equal to, the elements are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. The elements of the set B are D, C, B, A. Choose the correct option. Second option is A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B is equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. 8, 4, 16, 18. Option C. A is equal to set of all x such that x is a multiple of 10. X is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. B. I must give two sets to you. That is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, dot. D, none of these. None of these. I will check it. Observe. Which is your correct answer? Which is your answer? A is correct answer. A is here, A is here. B is here, B is here. C is here, C is here, D is here, D is here. Correct answer. Why it is not correct? 4 is here, 4 is here. 8 is here, 8 is here. 12 is not there. Therefore, it is not correct. It is not a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 will be 10, 20, 30, 40. Therefore, this is wrong. Therefore, correct answer is A. Yes, you are correct. Correct answer is A, correct. Okay. Take another problem. Another question. Shall I rub this one? I'll rub this part so that I can give second question. Second question. Try this one. The set A is equal to. The set A is equal to. You are given with set of all x such that modulus of 2x plus 3 modulus is less than 7 is equal to, options are given, is equal to the set, is equal to the set. These such questions will appear in competitive exams. A, set of all x, here you are given with D, set of all x such that 0 is less than x plus 5, x plus 5 is less than 7. First option. Think and answer. Set B is given that x is a set of minus 3 is less than x, x is less than 7. C. E is given here, x set of all x such that minus 7 is less than x, x is less than 7. D, option D, set C is equal to set of all x such that minus 13 is less than 2x, 2x is less than 14, less than 4. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Study them. Study them and try to answer. Multiple choice questions. Very important. First of all, you try to get the what are the elements in set A. Is less than 7. Means a positive number less than 7. If you put x is equal to 1, it is the modulus of 2x plus 3. Right? You put x is equal to 1. What do you get? You may get 2 into 1 plus 3. What do you get? 2 plus 3 is 5. You are getting 5. It is less than 7. If you take 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 3, what do you get? You get 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Modulus means don't take negative values, only take positive value. Modulus means 7. This is wrong. Then you can take lower values. Go on giving 2 into 0. You can take, you will get 3. What is the modulus of 3 is 3. Are you getting me? Okay. You can take the elements now. What are the elements possible now? One element is 5. Another element is 3. Write it in the roster method. If you take minus 1, 2 minus 1 plus 3, what do you get? Minus 2 plus 3. What is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Yes, you can take 1 also. Try to get minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. What do you get here? 2 2s are minus 4 plus 3. It is 1 already there. And you can take 2 into minus 3 plus 3. What do you get? Minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, but modulus means it is 3. Already there. You can take minus 4. 2 into minus 4 plus 3. What do you get? You will get minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3. You will get what? Minus 5. Minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3. You are getting minus 5, but modulus will be 5. What you are getting? 5 is already there. You take 5 now. 2 into minus 5 plus 3. What do you get here? 5 2s are 10. Minus 10 plus 3. What is minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7, but 7. 7 you cannot take. That's all. You can take only the elements as 5, 3, 1. A. And among these, which one will choose which one will get you? So that you take 0 is less than x, x is less than 7. If you put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, what do you get? You get 6. 6 is not there. Say, you are writing D set. If you write D set, let us check whether it is equal or not. You can take values from x may take the values minus 4 to minus 4 to what is the D? X plus 5, 0 is less than, x plus 5 is less than 7. Then what are the possible values to get the set D? Try. X plus 5 is less than 7. It should be greater than this thing. If you put x is equal to 1, what do you get? You will get 6. 6 is less than 7. If you take x is equal to 2, you get what? You get 2. What do you get? X is equal to 2. What do you get? What are the possible values of x? Here you can take negative numbers also. X values you are given negative numbers also. You put 0 and you got minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 also. I think minus 4 also. For minus 5 you are not getting. So these are the numbers. 6 is less than 7. If you take x is equal to 2, it becomes what? X is equal to 2, it becomes x is equal to 2. you will get what? X is equal to 2. 2 plus 5 becomes 7. You can't take x is equal to 2. Right? Now you can take x is equal to minus 1. Means you can take 1. X is equal to minus 1. What do you get? Minus 1 plus 5. What do you get? 5 minus 1 is 4. Less than 7. Yes, minus 1 is there. And if you put x is equal to minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 plus 5 becomes 5 minus 2 is 3, less than 7. 3 is also there. X is equal to minus 3 you take. Minus 3 you take. What do you get? Minus 3 plus 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 is less than 7. Is 2 is present here? Can you take 2 there in this case? Can you take 2 there? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. Barudula. Plus 2 Barudula. Therefore, 2 is present in this. And can you take x is equal to minus 4? Minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1 is less than 7. 1 is already there. If you take x is equal to 3 becomes 8. No. You can take x is equal to minus 5. What do you get? Minus 5. You get minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0. 0 is should not be equal to 0. Should be less than 0. Therefore, the possible values of the D, set D, you can take are, one is, you can take these values. You can give the values plus 1 you can give. 1 is there. Okay, 1 you can take. Then you can take minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Therefore, which is missing? Are they equal? No, this is not the case. Now, if you take the numbers from minus 3 to is less than x, x is less than 7, you will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Check all of them are there. No, this is also not possible. Minus 7 to plus 7. Minus 7 to plus 7. Try. Which is the correct answer? Check which is the correct answer. Take 1 or more minutes. How can you solve this? First one is A is correct answer. How can you get it? How can you get A is correct answer? Second one. Second one, how can you get it? By putting the values, you can't do this. Now, how can you do this? Given that modulus of 2x plus 3. Modulus of 2x plus 3. Modulus of 2x plus 3 is less than 7 is given to you. Modulus means you have to take a plus or minus. Are you getting me? How can you take this one as? Plus or minus 2x minus 3. Think for another 1 or 2 minutes. Which one will be correct answer? Not an easy question. It is a tough question. Try. You can use inequalities. When you take the minus sign, you will get plus or minus 2x plus 3. Means what? Minus, if you take minus sign here, minus 7 is less than 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is less than 7. One value. If you take this 3 to the left, what do you get? You get minus 7 minus 3 is less than 2x is less than 7. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10 is less than 2x. 2x is less than 7. Means what? You can even take this plus 3 to the right. If you take plus 3 to the left, you get what? Minus 3. If you take plus 3 to the right, you get what? Minus 3 becomes 4. Divide by 4. What do you get here? Divide by 2. You get here minus 5 is less than x. X is less than 4. Minus 5 is less than x. X is less than 4. What does it mean? Take a minus 5 to the right. 7 minus 3 is 4. Divide by 2. What do you get here? Minus 5 is less than x. X is less than 2. If you take it to the right. If you take a plus sign in it, you take a minus 5 to the right, you get 0 is less than x. X is less than 2. Are you getting me? If you add 5 here, you can add 5 here also. You can get 0 is less than x plus 5. X plus 5 is less than 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore, correct answer will be 0 is less than or equal to x plus 5. X plus 5 is less than 7 will be correct answer. This is based on inequalities. Now, if you take it as plus or minus, lowest value will be minus 7 and highest value will be plus 7. It lies between minus 7 and plus 7. If you take inequality, you will be learning later. Take a minus 3 to the left. Minus 7 minus 3 becomes minus 10. Plus 3 to the right, you will get 7 minus 3 is 4. Now divide by 2, you will get minus 5 is less than x. X is less than 2. Take a minus 5 to the right. What do you get? X plus 5. X. Right? And it will become now, in the middle term, become now x plus 5. If you take minus 5 here, 0 is left here. X plus 5 is less than 2. When x plus 5 is less than 2, definitely x plus 5 will be less than 7. Therefore, correct answer is 0 is less than x plus 5. X plus 5 is less than 7. Like this, tough questions may also appear in the competitive exams based on equal sets. Clear to you? Any doubts in this? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 7 to plus 7 ಇರ್ತದ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒಳಗ ಈ 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 10 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 5s ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ x ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತ್ರಿ? 2 ಬಂತು. ಈಗ minus 5 ರೈಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 0 is less than x plus 5. x plus 5 is less than 2 ಬಂತು. ಅವಾಗ 0 is less than x plus 5 is less than 2 adra definitely x plus 5 will be less than 7. Therefore, correct answer will be A. It is a tough question, right? That may appear in competitive exams, right? I will take a multiple choice question test later, and just I wanted to show you how the tough questions will be there. Let us move on to the next set. That is a subset. What is a subset? We will try to understand. I will take a set now. A is a set containing elements 1, 2, 3. Right? B is a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Observe. What is your observation? Your observation is that all elements of A are present in B. Ava nodri 1 1 ada, 2 2 ada, 3 3 ada. Adare? Do you think all elements of B are present in A? ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 2 3 11 ಆದ್ರೆ 4 5 ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ದೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ then we say that a is said to be a is said to be a is said to be subset of b, subset of b, subset of b. ಯಾವಾಗ if all elements of a are present in b and if all elements of b are not present in a, then we symbolically represent it as ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತಾರ a is a subset of b. Are you getting me? Okay. Now let us write the definition of subset. Let same examples. First you note down the example, you will understand clearly. Then you will write the definition. Let A and B be. Let us write the definition. A and B be two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. This is compulsory. Non-empty. You have the practice of writing non-empty. Right? A is said to be subset of B. A is said to be proper subset. We can say proper subset. Proper subset of B if all elements of A are present in B, but all elements of B are not present in A. Symbolically, how do you write? Symbolically, we write it as A is a subset of itara, subset of B. Are you getting me? That is called as the concept of subset. In that this particular subset is called as proper subset. There are two types of subsets. One is proper subset. Then what are improper subsets? We'll try to understand. Now, if I take a set A, it containing elements A, B, C, D, right? I will take a null set and I will take another set B containing A, B, C, D. Do you agree with me? See, all elements of A are present in B. Then A is a subset of B. Means every element is a subset of itself. A null set is a subset of every element. Therefore, these two, null set and set itself, are called as improper subsets. Note down. Very important. Improper subsets. Improper subsets. Right? Improper subsets are if A is a non-empty set. If A is a non-empty set, A is any non-empty set, any non-empty set the set itself and the null set, the set itself and null set, the set itself and null set, the set itself and null set are two common subsets of all sets. Two common subsets of all sets. Remember, very important for competitive exams. Hence, they are called improper subsets. Hence, they are called Hence they are called, yes, non-empty, they are called non-empty subsets. Very important. Note it down. Improper subset. What is the proper subset and improper subset? You understood. Proper subset alli all elements of A are present in B, but all elements of B should not be present in A, then it is called as a proper subset. But remember, all elements of A are present in A only, no? Means A is a subset of A. A is a subset of A. Every element consists of null set. Null set as one of the subsets. Therefore, null set and set itself are two subsets of every set. They are common subsets of every set. Therefore, they are called as improper subsets. Clear to you? Okay. I'll give an important note required for competitive exams. Tricks. Important note you note down for competitive exams. Important note. Before I give the note, I will give an example. Say A is a set, say containing 1, 2. Okay. Now you tell me, what are the possible subsets of A? Possible subsets of A. Say A1 is a proper subset which consists of only one possibility, and A2 is containing only 2, another possibility, and A itself is another possibility, null set is another possibility. Totally how many subsets are there for set A? Arpita, how many subsets are there for set A? One is A1 containing only 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting me? There is a formula to find the number of subsets. Yes, so number of subsets is equal to number of subsets of a set n of A is equal to 2. N of A is equal to 2 of a set n of A is equal to 2 will be 4. Are you getting me? So number of subsets, if n is equal to 2, how do you write? Now observe here, number of subsets is equal to number of subsets containing means subsets of A. If n of number of elements in the set cardinal number is 2, then it is given by 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. If the number of elements of the set are 2, then you can get it as 2 square. 2 square means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will take another set containing 3 elements. An important note for competitive exams, number of times appeared in competitive exams. I will take another set containing 3 elements. Go on writing the subsets. Example 2. I will take a set A is equal to A, B, C. How many elements are there in it? N of A is equal to how many? 3. Go on writing all possible subsets. Say A1 is a subset containing A. A2 is a subset containing B. A3 is a subset containing C. 3 ಆದವು. ಮತ್ತು A4 ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ತೋರ್ತೀನಿ, ಎರಡೆರಡು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ? AB. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ A5 ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ BC. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಾವ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು A6. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? A6. AC ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? AC ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ A ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಣ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾದವು? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ಆದವು. 8 ಆದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ n of A is equal to 3, then the number of subsets ಎಷ್ಟಾದವು number of subsets become was 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ? Can you generate a general formula? Now we'll generalize it, right? General, if a set contains n elements, then number of possible subsets will be is equal to 2 raised to n. Remember this time saving result for CET competitive exams. If A is a set, if a set contains n elements, then number of possible subsets is equal to 2 raised to n. Remember this note 1, TSR 1, very important for CET. Now I will give a multiple choice question and another note you note down. Then number of proper, if a set contains, note down this formula, if a set contains n elements, then the number of proper subsets is equal to number of times appeared in the exam. Total number of subsets will be 2 raised to n. Of them you have to subtract 2 sets. ಯಾವುದು? null set and set itself are improper ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಾವು? proper ಉಳಿತಾವು. Therefore you have to take -2 raised to n. -2 is the formula. Remember these two general formulae, and MCQ will appear like this, appear a number of times in Karnataka CET. If a set contains 6 elements, then number of subsets is equal to along with theory you have to get ready for competitive exams also, is equal to, I will give 32, option B 16, option C 64, option D 5 and 12. Choose the correct answer. Here ನೋಡೋಣ. Write the answer which is correct. Try to use the formula. Which option is correct? Answer. Yes. Try to answer this question. Along with the textbook questions, you practice such questions. That way they will improve your performance. What is the solution? Yes, answer. You take some 30 seconds. Yes, try. Who can answer it? Use the formula. N is equal to how much? 6. Which is correct answer? A is correct answer. 32. See, there are how many elements? 6 elements are there. Yes, try. Tell me your answer. Take some 15-20 seconds. Formula is given to you. Number of subsets. I will write another question by the time you try. If a set contains 5 elements, answer them in 1 minute. If a set contains 5 elements, then the number of proper subsets, the number of Number of proper subsets. Proper subsets. Option A 32. Option B 30. Option C 64. Option D 16. Try these two questions. Last 1 minute is remaining. Answer them. These two multiple choice questions appeared in Karnataka CET. Number of times questions asked in Karnataka CET. Yes, come on. Can you hear me? What is the problem? So number of subsets. Not getting? Yes, try. First one is A. Again, A is correct answer. Try to answer. Be active. In comment box, you can take the correct answer. That's all. A, B, C, D. Which is the correct answer? Try. Who will answer it? Yes. Very simple. What is the formula? Number of subsets is equal to number of subsets. What is the formula? Number of subsets. Number of subsets. Number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n. What is n here? 6. 2 raised to 6. Multiply 2 6 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. Therefore, correct answer is C. What is your answer? Try second one. Similarly. Hello? What is the solution here? Observe. Proper subsets. What is n is equal to? N is equal to 5. Proper subsets formula is number of proper subsets is given by the formula 2 raised to n. You have to subtract 2. Only proper subsets is asked. You have to subtract 2. That is 2 raised to 5 minus 2. What is 2 raised to 5 is? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 32 minus 2 becomes what? 30. Observe, such questions will appear in competitive exams. Along with the theory, you have side by side, you have to start preparation for the competitive exams. Okay, that's all for today. My dear students, tomorrow is Friday. We'll continue with chemistry, some basic concepts in chemistry. And I expect, if you like this Lokji channel, come live so that you can interact and learn here. It is a course. I am not a YouTuber. It is not a YouTube channel. It is a course. You are not subscribers. You are students. I am not a YouTuber. I am a teacher. And I am using this technology to prepare you for both board exam as well as competitive exam. If you like this, subscribe it. Invite your friends, more friends. It is free of cost, except everything will be free. Okay. Therefore, those students who are intelligent, who are brilliant, ask them to join. Right? PUC1 students are very less in live stream. Okay. That's all for today, my dear students. In Gadag, we have started Partha Gurukula Study Hostel. In Dharwad also, we started a branch of Partha Gurukula Study Hostel. Any students are serious, they can get a free offline class in chemistry and mathematics. They can go to the college. Apart from that, we have set the timetable. Like similarly, we have made a Gurukula hostel in Gadag also. And from this week onwards, I will invite PUC 1 students and PUC 2 students a workshop on these chapters. We are covering sets and trigonometry, right? Doubts in the trigonometry, doubts in the sets. For that, we will have offline. Gadag is my local place. Gadag students can come there between 2 to 4, between 2 to 4, afternoon Sunday. Every Sunday I will be there in Gadag. Between 2 to 4, all PUC1 students of Gadag can come to my institute. I will send the location in the WhatsApp group. You can share with your friends and come there. I will be available offline between 2 to 4. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with some basic concepts in chemistry, percentage composition, empirical formula, molecular formula. After completion of this, I will take test also. Okay. If you attended the bridge course, there is one test today. PUC1 students, to check your trigonometry ability. Okay. I will send now at 7:30 a question paper. At 8:15 I will come in live and discuss it. 45 minutes paper, 20 marks. I will send in the WhatsApp group of PUC1 class 10 combined CBSE, ICSE. Trigonometry up to trigonometry identities. Check your ability and attend the test. Now, right now I am sending in the group. I will come live at 8:15. Okay. Bye bye. See you.